Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I've been doing school from home for about a couple of months now, just on and off with lockdown and whatnot, so a desk has become necessary. So basically I turned our spare room, which was used for guests, and obviously you can't really have guests right now, and also like as a storage space, and I've taken that and I've turned it into my office. Yeah, it was very fun to do and I made a whole time lapse about it, so future me will explain it all. Okay, so here's a little overview of the room. We've got a big bed in the middle and a wardrobe and a bookshelf. So yeah, not a lot of room, but don't worry, that will change. So here I am just clearing everything up to make a start, just getting all the stuff out of the way because I'm going to get rid of the bed. So here I am just trying to unscrew the bed because it was like two mini beds like screwed together. Couldn't figure out how to use the fruit screwdriver at first, but you know, I got there in the end. And yeah, so my dad propped the bits of bed up against the wall because the tip's closed at the moment, so we couldn't actually get rid of it. So yeah, I just gave the place a bit of a clean and I tried to fit a lampshade, but it didn't fit. And we also couldn't get rid of the mattress, so we decided the best place to put it was under my current mattress. So here I am just making room in my room, and propping the mattress up to put the other mattress under my current mattress. Take a shot every time I say mattress. But yeah, here we are. So I stack them on top of each other and remake my bed. And it's so tall now, like it's kind of funny. It's like when I sleep, I'm just elevated, I'm so high up. But you know, there are worse problems to have, I guess. So here we have the desk. I got it off Amazon and ordered it a few weeks ago and it came the other day. So here I am just getting all the bits out already. It was a flat pack, as you can see, so I had to put it together myself. I made a few mistakes when doing this, but since I haven't really heard of like an Allen key before this, I think we can cut me some slack. But yeah, here I am making a start and putting like the first shelves together. So basically I messed up the desk and I couldn't figure out where it had gone wrong, and my dad said he'd help like look at it tomorrow, like the next day, so I just carried on by sorting out the shelves. And these shelves have just been like a vessel for all of like the family crap. Like ever since we've had them, they've like always been full of something. So we've got loads of like old books and like old stuff, so I just went through and sorted it and like stacked it all up and got rid of some stuff, you know, with people's permission. Oh yeah, I found some like old hats and had a bit of a fashion show. And yeah. So at this point I had finally cleared up enough space to put my own stuff in here, so here I'm putting in my like school folders and my books from my room, and I also put in some of my art supplies and whatnot, so I can just have all my stuff in my workspace. The next day rolls round and the DIY noob has realised her mistakes. So here I am just like fixing the desk by taking some stuff apart and putting it back together. There's this one bit I just got wrong and had to keep redoing. So, you know, don't be like me. Read the instructions properly if you ever do this and just save yourself the time. Because while this was fun, it was also kind of frustrating. Like, I now understand why people yell at flat pack furniture. So the desk is finished and I just keep tidying the place up because like so much dust came out of that bookcase, I swear. Pete, my dog, in there somewhere. He comes in and out quite a lot, he likes it in here. And yeah, I'm just adding the finishing touches, like my chair and a dog bed and stuff to my desk. Everyone came in to look out the window because I think some people were doing some stuff in the garden. That's why everyone's there. Time for the big reveal. So we go in, that's still against the wall for the time being, don't know when that's gonna go. We pan round and we can see my desk covered in my work because I forgot to clean it up, with my chair, and you know, my plants are in there. It's very nice. I've got my bookshelf for all my stuff, got my dog most importantly, and yeah, there it is. I was listening to the Jane Eyre podcast for English because I was behind on my reading. And yeah, I've got my sketchbook out here and there's just so much room for me to do my art and stuff. I really love it. Oh yeah, my plants love the light in here just because this is where the sun shines in, so very nice. I've got my candles, we've got ambiance, and I just stuck some small photos on the wall just for that added touch. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it and any comments down below. This video was in collaboration with Hayes. She's one of my good friends from school and she makes amazing content. So I will leave a link to her video down below and her channel down below, so make sure to check out her video after this one. Okay, thanks!